Welcome to Row with Controls. Here's your host, Steve Rowe.
Someone asked me recently my thoughts on the rising use of DC power in buildings. I'm sure you've heard about the 19th century War of the Currents, where there were some big names in electricity, think Edison, Tesla, debating between the use of direct current, or DC, power versus alternating current, or AC power. AC largely won for the transmission efficiency over long distances. Think of power plants carrying power for hundreds of miles. But recent changes in battery and photovoltaic technologies, electrification driving the need for more power, and the opportunities to simplify installation and service of building systems have all started a drive towards DC power in buildings. When asked about this trend, I need to stay true to my brand and look through the controls lens. And with that, I say, bring it on. Outside of the efficiency gains in DC to DC power conversion, I say this with confidence for several other reasons, with the most notable being that DC power can greatly simplify and even shrink our lighting control devices. And quite transparently, most lighting control devices are already inherently DC powered. Electronics utilize DC power to power in-circuit components, and most modern lighting controls are run using DC-powered microcontrollers. Now, many of these lighting control devices still have capabilities of switching AC power on and off through use of a relay, and phase dimming lighting controls remains extremely common in residential spaces. And with most buildings still being on AC power, somewhere in the lighting control system, there's still often an AC to DC power conversion through a transformer or a switch mode supply, similar to a laptop or a cell phone plugged into a common 120 volt outlet. But all that being said, if we see the DC power trend continue to rise, I'm confident lighting control systems are well poised to make the leap to operating 100% on DC power, as we're already largely there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Row with Controls.